Divine Center spiritual doctor Abednego Dano say say yare oho a ayare sanso oho.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense were back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and your ready Pedrian Musamaya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yariantimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronua dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. Now Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now Ompa, Omuan Dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Momo who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kansi, and you are may move Bia Yato in row, at 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Driver, na fa me ko obo ade ensa wom herbal clinic. Na me fa mani ko twamasa ko ka dientia. Obi ade ne yade ko hodo a. Won fa ne yade ensa mafie biu. Na onya na yaresa.
Wo fa ni besi na me fa nko. Na so kwadwo ayaresa. Mo yade, wo mo sa yade bia ha obi a wo kwa wo mbesa hwe. Yade bi ti say stroke, hypertension, fibroid, infertility, diabetes, hepatitis, hypertension, sexually transmitted disease, prostate cancer, infertility, and asempo. Udwale na wuti ho saa, wuti ho ngria obo wa kuhu mesra yade aka wa to dem yade bia help ya wudi kopie mo obo ade nsa wo mu heba clinica won beti ne te say ye yefunu yade ana wuti pai wuntumi ngo bema ana oba ntumi ngo oba wo ne bema da wo huntumi nsane wo bema wo de boss wa no agemu yade be ne ha wo wona se na atatai ana se wa honhono moja broswo ana wuni moja wani ase ye fita say ye nkrodo yade bia help ya obo ade nsa wo mu heba clinic timi say te say 100 cedis 120 150 ekwesi 200 Ghana cedis obema ho adura akonom ama watimi anya wapom di amapa na se wukoyi folder wukohu doctor ye screening ehunu ba bia yade ne hye ni nyina ye free mitwika wo krom ha obi afomehyan ya ne ho adanse enko an odie doctor no yade wabene kwana kwaje ayalehwe obo ade nsa wo mu heba clinic ewo achim odan ada a eben masalachi so mails wonom pe number no 0532333372.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Medjuma Sweni, inti obia pemasem. Sa wudi wajuma shamisa. Mesha se, usika enko waste. Inti, me tomino meni na free jam trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, ana chairman Mensa chain. Inti sa upe cement, gasem, diamond, ana se, simaf. Ningina, ubenye bi ato Mr. Mensa, ana chairman Mensa chain. Open nadwa all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa pan. Fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empom, opa butchery paints, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa chairman Mensa chain, or Wakameni Junction, on Ejaji and a Dinshanim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra? Nanibwa edit that form.
Parawasi, and your papa dear, oh, Charlie, and Swabian to feel what it. Shino, oh, too many, now what's a qua.
The Mid Morning Show, have a blessed day.
You know, me love you, me can do you that. That's so much I love you, baby. Love you. Oh, no, and so much. Now, but you can me, oh.
My feet wouldn't come on. Me day, it's a yana promise. Me jail, why would it say much I watch it? Only 1 minute, only me ready to afford. Me, oh, no, and so much. Now, what you're Jimmy so Come on, some oh, on their way. Jimmy so oh, Mahomatia. Come on, some oh, on their way. Jimmy so Mahomatia. Come on, some oh, on their way. Jimmy so oh, Mahomatia. Come on, some
Right, so there's this thing I've been thinking about. So what is the difference between Sa and New movie and a good sin and everybody call it poison? And I mean, what's the difference? So we want to hear who's it's a profane song. So only by I did that. There be so many. I did that when I saw when you were dear, I seen do that. Hey, yeah, no more. Everybody call it poison. Yeah, I can come with you. Small boy, come on, a good sin. On those who are some called to the book. I said, I wonder Monayana, when I would try to see the year pounds and there be one cancel. Mary, right, so a happy birthday in advance. And come on, Oba Package, parties golden scissors. Now me at the match now your birthday. It's a happy birthday in advance. And come on, this is from your Madam Patricia. Madam Pat is saying, "Go point out the match now your birthday." And it's a happy birthday in advance. And come on. Right, so 23 after 11, 93.3 of Adwuma no aziguza the Vox. Na yeguso aye kan adwuma asem na yeguso aye ti adwuma mu ne ye boy adwuma nko ade. Na wo say yenso ye boy adwuma bi hu de ro fan kire wo. What you rhyme no? I was see ye boy adwuma bi hu de ro fan kire. Na de bia me betena ha me catch us a chemodan kuruma no de. Shabana dance ye hunyoma. Say yankoto a dance ye hunyoma ana yanko baby a. Ye benya quality a dance ye hunyoma dia. Me pacho ye called Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa. Me can't kadimeji. Kase Jam Trading Enterprise. Aha. Man kase ja. Me say jam. Hey. Ya yi kan ye kase jam. Kumoji kase jam. Aha, anti Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa wa Chimodan Kameni Junction. Me pacho ebana cement. Beach says Simaf, Diamond Cement, Gasam Cement. Ningina odo ni ko pie mu awoye Jam Trading Enterprise. Obebo na fe wonya cement papa. Aya me catch us o hono nton cement akegi. Me hu bi pen. Ye ko to cement say the project bi. Yes, I swear the call back. In fact, your board dropping coming. Your papa now and just cement no. On so as you can one triama yen. Your board cassette from the part called Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensa on ton cement a cake mount. After is a wood now your carpenter. Baby Abenya correct no. Another one. I would be do Jimena. You another one be hot man. When you had the ham and the boss one aqua. The boy the boss one is in with the boss or another. Na yasa ya no de ibi me pacho. Mr. Mensa na don nyina gina ho poti ye strong pa. And to the boma rem na ashem simple. It called Jam Trading Enterprise and of way open iron rods, open POP, open plaster boards, open fiber center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, open marine board. Nina for nitrem our Jam Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa Kameni Junction. One is Jaji the D Shedemo. The patch of 0208 123 872 872 and 0244 566 880. Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mason Samin Control se Brassesia. Brassesia Nabato. Cement near dancing Hunoma Kenina. Yanko from Pon Enterprise. From Pon. Or Achema Dam and Derina Hotel Asia Hope. Debia ya catcher na wintie na we call Yanomon Chandia. We seek you the do yourself. Papa Chalk from Pon Enterprise and pay all kinds of macros. Ubenyebi African Queen macro. Or Bapa macro. Ope Lily. Think now Ubenyebi offers all kinds of cooking oil. Bit sunflower. Junoli. Fried thorn near Dingina. Oba from Pon Enterprise Abenyebi and our face know him say this time around tin tomatoes na bano bebrina ekofo bi di a frafra ye we di no hon komenche anase echiri but it say open tin tomatoes in fact preservatives na nkofo de ye no dem see e be di hon komo but call from Pon Enterprise. From Pon Enterprise, open tin tomatoes, papa quality one. And yet the preservatives being at the gugu suna. Was a gugu yama fe na kofa bibi abreuno. Yan tombi from Pon Enterprise, yet tom papa. Afenso sa open perfume rice, open local rice, and I say open sugar. Sugar no sa open bag, open lonka, open cups. Then you now be at from Pon Enterprise. Afenso all kinds of Nestle items. So Pemilo, Upenido cowbell, and often to detergent Ahudonina over from Pon Enterprise. How you be a cosmetic shop? You be a cosmetic shop, how I swear, and often so your drink shop on the day. Mepacho, yen ton alcoholic beverages be out. Yen ton Kalanquala de Abia, near Bubi de Abia, near Embo, champagne or hot, champagne or alcohol, nim, your baby mamma, need be near the idea. Mami o dende niya the alcohol in the soft drinks and to say open this cola ni bi they din kola birthday and I puno two baby program bia we bia open insan alcohol in no go from Pon Enterprise a drink shop na kopebi e ba che ye wo ye Mandarina Hotel as open na drink shop no so foforo no Away old G and a bank. Freyan was 0244 897525 and 0206473 953 0242 111236 from Pon Enterprise. Jumera or see what the papa at chair. Nelly share cat watch him as Sane na Nelly share catty. Sanya and boys need dear dance here no Joe. Onko one who coffee a jiri ashero. One shake coffee a jiri. Nalisa Catadaro, coffee a jiri. Wonya hairline. And our friends on the side beers, no, because of 5'5 and the 5'5, no. You trying to come upon, yeah, go for a fanboy. Nigga, a Nelly's haircuts. Nelly's haircuts. Woman chain and our qua, but Pacho, Obama who I for ye, but you come on. We are called away a penny, Cornelis haircuts, and our way, Opa say, chow pen mini goose wa. Your bar, hot. Na yen kengu and from our come upon. Ya daiti calabia, ye Nelly haircuts. Freya 0542 542 856. 0542 524 856. Nelly haircuts, your perfect touch. Don't cool ventures. So pensa no ding, and our pensa no nya ding. Would be a eatery be, and our drinking spots be would be a bar be now for you. Who pay in San Papa. Eddie go and I say, Yacob baby na. Yano be near the idea. Me only me Pia. Okay, people say a boy, but we must almost say a guy. So we went to a place and maybe no Pia, dear men no me about copy. Na my share was there, and I say no, if you ever be at the crown mini binto. And I'm catching the Pansayako. Don't cool ventures. Nako pebi. Ade. Open na me boys e pie na boys ya jeje ade sisi so money ma na me kwame de ebi di ho. Welch. So person who dem man pacho me hanya call. Now we about you share. I'm proud that you call get in ye. On po asana me kan want I say that was then watch. Me see there be. Me say Welch. I say then I just want TV that me say me pacho ko don ku. Koho. Na meka story bi acho ba me don ku dey wi na. Don Cool Ventures boy EPL old EPL abron some from your friend Sunny Star Plaza na see help and I be who Don Cool Ventures pepper cho your ton alombo your K20 your Black Rock your tonic wine your dry gin na for so non-alcoholic beverages nina oba obenye biato ewa ya so ye pepper cho friend was 0555486990 and 0556 252-668. So shall we start in one? 80 Welch on. Before it was sold at 10 cedis. For one bottle. It was 10 cedi on. And my neighbor keke your 4 people. And I call baby now. Oh, o maji na e na no because oh come na do no mako but o san bia ya o ye no na me catch a leading say be pa cho mo ucho no see am say man back o am say eh saying I no say 40 no me I had 14 unim say oh better than 10 cedis be me ko bia inti ya tum kra e bi wa me ko be from 12 cedis so it's between 10 and 12 cedis so when I had 4 no man tin I had 14. Me 14 oh, and I bought 3. I ordered for 3. But I'm not seeing a control. I ordered for 3. And I'm saying 14 cedis 3. Me we na me the go see the bill me can 40. Me heard you say sister Adeng, me crow me at all the dancing you. The boy at the end of 12. It's me that me feel say. Mr. 14. Oh, 40. I was like, is it because I call golden here and answer day? Oh, there we. Men no me answer. Now come here. You don't run pamwa. Oh my days, Briefland Hotel. Briefland. Me pa choko jiwani. Weekend bia. Maybe aba jiwani a Briefland Hotel. Ya wa Chamansu Presby School nechi hope. Well ventilated rooms, spacious and secured car park, bar and restaurant, Sunday or Mutual special course on offers of Sunday pool party with quality music from DJ Shabu and DJ Disease and the channel so say where they know where you from your engagement. Me so where don't you from. Okay, man kanga wanti. Wanti. Me pa cho your engagement and now ye. Aha. Now people be a refreshment in the idea or buy a swear ya ever sort to in fact you ever say host still there was 0551 187926 and 0507640302 0551 187926 and 0507640302 Briefland Hotel quality home away from home. Maybe I'll try to 21st September. I'm an A6, right? It will be we 21st September. Official launch of a matching foundation and fundraising ceremony. I'm about to wire him kind of from your forecourt. Now, Jumedi didn't know say matching foundation and fundraising. No, foundation. Woman did you see? Can I send to boy? And the boy woman Sabio, woman nibi ni woman and hunyemu. Na womo ahunyenyemu nti se nyamenya adoma 21st September and launch na ba so anopa 8 a.m. that one kind of from anim here the part of utie me na person obo adwumedi na so dwumedi ase a or for 0543-350-934 0543-350-934. Yeah, invite you. In fact, you have to answer for on Saturday. Our Ahenkan FM 4 courts here 93.3. Our Suguza would say Adwuma-Adwuma your family coming across the brand for the perfect gentleman. I'm just Saturday no. Shall say JSS near say tro intro SC. Adia already feeder and I'm coming through. Over honestly, me I had 14. I had 14. 14. You see, I haven't you see Ghana on. Yeah. There be the member of you. Since I make us say, I attend to this now. I am a title. It is a me come at his own. Oh, say you was Subambi or Ghana Hanoma. Suddenly 5 cities on. Now say a event day. And I say be a ton at the floor. I wouldn't say you talk bottle water like this. They talk 1 2 cities no. Me bought be couldn't buy Accra. We went to a certain restaurant. We bought same bottle for they turn 2 cities no. We bought it for 10 cities. It's a idea I Ghana ha. Minim say I want the environment no can hold they are in Kunyano can because yeah complaining o man my new no boy new but yeah can who be say a bronya dia ade 5 cities no you turn 10 cities e Easter dia ade 10 cities we turn 20 cities e say dia ye program nti ye say nti me hu obi a asorefo bi ye nhyiemu e na wakoton nyoma bi wa honom o say nhyiemu nti watum e yesu e wo krom ha ade bia ne bo endru baby no a program and I be near the security atoso. It me I me turn 10 cities a particular shop will be. A be one man you may be me pebinia there me turn 10 cities. And a be one man me call programs are almost turn 12 cities. My fan normal. So when I went there, I had 14. Honestly, I had 14. And I ever say, okay, 10 and 12 there. And I'm on turn 14. And I ordered for 3. Call the medical number 1 answer. Yeah, Nanka. Makase, 1 more. Oh, so that was a CSC. So I ordered for 3. If you are trying near now, near the we could have a car. Me, my sister 14 cities. I said, no, man, can't 14. No. 40. After over spell 40, mommy. Or spell 40. Of you was it 40. Wait, a foot with the mobile. You can't price at 10 years and what did he? I have picture me now. Guy, I could do a restaurant. I was saying, Patch 100 is not the mine. I can't have it too. What? I mean, can I call it the area crash if you don't pay it? I was about to. Well, last night, the mine, I can't have it. Maybe I talk about it, and I had the idea equal. The campus are born 3 times. My patch was saying, Mantio. Me patro saying, aha, as what Rosa, the woody. Now, call me the Nibia, me 40, me 14. Me buano na back, bogu me yumi. Masabo back, Samiaza. Me koya was a 40. Miss Madame, or your mansu, or bounce, Miss Madame. Mantinesa. No, no. My father say me mistake. Me na mantini. What na make no? Me mantini. And I thought ebia. You see na make no because a year occasion day, a year event day, you know. Nanka come on, na dey can dey turn 20 cities in. Hey. That is what Tom me be times 2 another times 3.
3 cry.
It's my family who adwin say send me who's a boy starring Sapan the on occasion days, you know. Saying check Christmas ba. I come about 4 months and 3 months. Na bronya ba. It's my mobile sports. Me sheshe bi wa. At the end of 5 cities, no, make come be a 25 cities. We are now a different place. Baby, our boys are raised upon. At the end of 18 cities, no, now is more 36 cities. Then you know times 3 times 3. India grow. Anyway, your lifestyle statement. So me say, you know, you share things you don't need to apologize for. Things you don't need to apologize for. You know, I'm not sure about in about 5 minutes. If about things you don't need to apologize for here on 93.3 FM. Stay tuned. I'm coming across the
mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Right, so music of KK for Zoo. And they call this one organ. Right, so do you understand why Samini does commercial dick songs? Samini, 90 or commercial dick song. So this is a commercial dick song for Samini. KK for Zoo, and you know what they say Samini. It is Samini, no, I mean, from way back. It's not Samini quantity yet this song, yeah. Now a commercial song near Bow Radio. But then Cophobia this song and I have been sending me the woman to be more radio. So if we are Samini, and you will know this song, if you are not with him, I'm just telling you today. KK for Zoo organ. Right, my man wish Johnson Fifi a sleepy bar for Johnson Fifi a Sylphie bar for a happy birthday. A CEO of Smart Fee Consorts, our and this is from man like Success. I was saying we show and your birthday and your order. And you know, once again, Johnson Fifi a Sylphie bar for and your birthday. Happy birthday and for encore Emma. Right, so Yanko, now young for your lifestyle segment, you know, from bro here on 93.3 of FM. Now I'm say, and then share things you don't need to apologize for. Listen, things you don't need to apologize for. In your man, sometimes you pound chow, nah, you can't sorry, nah, you can't oh man, oh me who oh san your man. So you want to be one man. Yeah, same pound chow, a bit so on the massa. What I say. So often we apologize because we worry too much about what other people think, because we put their feelings above our own needs, and there are many situations where an apology is unnecessary. There are so many and many situations apology see, I will share with you some 5 points, just 5 points. In fact, we apology be on man, sebi. You know the matter, you know the here. You know what be on man, we just move on, and of course we move on. So our first point, I beg your pardon. Hey, be no my. All right, so our first point. I don't know. I beg your pardon, myself at Jovium. So first point, you should never apologize for telling the truth. You should never apologize for telling the truth. Now, strong people tell the truth. Never apologize for being strong, even if the truth hurts. The benefit of honest far outweigh the initial stage of the truth. So, fashion with truth said, whatever it is. Be true to who you are and don't worry about what other people think. Over apologizing or saying I'm sorry when it's not necessary reduce self-esteem over time. Say I'm sorry for when you are actually wrong or you actually made a mistake. That is when you should say I'm sorry. And never apologize. Never in your life apologize for saying or telling the truth. Makano krentino. Makano krena ho bechero maka. What I say? Ultimately, share idea bina a home bar 7 half way. I didn't go see about was immediately I'm in training. No, I will tell the truth. I'll tell people say and the credit here. It's a mechanical credit. The basic be easy. I won't apologize for telling the truth. And the fashion ones would dream. Say, I drew critical situation be and I say, I drew no be a more than it is better and it is best to tell the truth and never apologize for telling the truth. Now, point number 2, remove someone from your life that repeatedly crosses your boundaries. Obia, Otia on also they be Southward never apologize for removing them from your lives. Southward on Mepacho, Mrs. Ubien, never apologize for removing someone. Obia, just say, are they young Kwan or the ade a won pet no the yo ade a woni nje ho no the yo pepa just have fun so you am feel life man never apologize for it man no hu jini free wo so never apologize for removing someone from your life that repeatedly crosses your boundaries. And number 4, never apologize for your past. Number 3, never apologize for your past. Fashion with dreams of your past is your past. I am a Thai can't say which angle for say. Adia biara maya wo maybe a twebo no maybe some 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago no. Me in fact, I'm forgiving myself, and I do not owe anyone any explanation. Yes, you see, sometimes on it may sound rude, but it is what it is. It may sound rude. I better say when you saw there, and I won't board there, and I won't fab again. Yes, wine there be, but no credit. Never apologize for your past. You see, you want to mean correct it. You can't correct your past. What do I say? But we far lesson be a free move. So you should never apologize for it. I keep telling people, I will never apologize for my past. And in fact, I do not owe anyone any explanation. A trim. And the first show with trim, say your past is your past. Own it and learn from your past. And move on. Everyone, sorry to say, makes foolish mistakes. But as long as it's not part of you, and I say it's not part of who you are today, and you have forgotten yourself or you have forgiven, I beg your pardon, if you have forgiven yourself for your mistake, it should never be on your list of things to apologize for. It is never apologize for your past. Why? A chem, a CAE. Then I'll beat my phone. Shall I deal with free me and tough? Can I correct it back? I can't. Into a CAE. So never apologize for your past. Now, point number 4, never apologize for expressing your feelings. Now, feelings are nothing to be ashamed of. They are naturally part of human being. And you know, if I gather all the momentum, I gather all the courage and I tell my feelings, and you say no. Magada who didn't feel me energy na but I love you, and you tell me God on all your prayers. And you are telling me God on all your prayers. It never apologize for expressing your feelings. It is any tibia. It doesn't matter whether you are happy, sad, angry, or excited. You need to remember that your feelings are valid. Don't ever say I'm sorry, but I feel, I mean, tell them I like you. Never apologize. You see, but sometimes there are certain feelings. If you gather that kind of momentum and that energy, you go and they will bounce you. They go bounce you, but tell them say you never go apologize. That was just by the way. So our last point number 5, never apologize for ending a toxic relationship. Never in your life, Mrs. Ubiupa, never and ever apologize for ending a toxic relationship. Emprantrick kawete ho ya boss Emprantrick kawete ho ye di watem sa ye degrade you sa o dance school brofo ye degrade you ye degrade you sa nyoma bi ho ma nsem fata na ye ke kanchro na mo masel po na o wig mu kankan na chensem na ye kanchro na nyame ado na wo free relationship as my sorry cry me masa don't be sorry. What do I say? And my money be so honoma. Or would the fine boy, and I guess in the show. You know, Bano ye as some of the can't actually be our country. You might be what near. So about told you, I know. A mangas are a mangas and yet so show angaza. About tot of your mark, I just say, Shama show. I don't know what. Yeah. It's me, box in me, sir. A man box and a singlet, me mingy blue. Quebec say, Shama show. That was just by the way. But toxic relationship be our team. Say either about in our busy and as a man in our busy. Please, if you leave, do not apologize for ending that particular toxic relationship. And then man I am a boom man, Sebi. Well, it's just anything will be there. But the last thing I was saying about my was as so don't have a boba. The last thing. So office on one thing, open so church now one day. Now we know bema, we general dance post do no matter to. Now you say yeah, one day. Shabu one video now. Boxer be, I think say Kotoko ne has game be a obo guy be. I mean one who's a video now. A boxer. And I mean so Kotoko fan was a house fan. There was a video like that, and a guy knew run. No, just small blows. Boy, no, full run. Last month was the last 2 months, yeah. On also about boxing, do a witchery. Now, boy, I'm bono. Who am I bono? I'm a banana and coffee. This any video no bow. Guy was supposed to do one. At the end, until my a few moments later. Hey, Jimmy Pacho. Yeah.